there, my beauties. So today we're going to be diving into the world of collagen replacement therapy. That's how we can spike our collagen to the max to get the most reward out of our skincare routines. So grab your favorite drink, settle in your chair, and let's get glowing. Remember, this channel is all about glowing up, transformative skincare, flawless makeup, and a lifestyle to match. If that resonates with you, hit subscribe. Don't forget to ring the notification bell. I want you to know when I post future videos. All right, babes, let's talk collagen. It's the holy grail of skincare, the secret sauce to having skin that we had in our 20s. Have you ever looked at someone in their 20s and thought, God, I would love to have that skin back? Okay, so I'm not Hannibal Lecter or Wild Bill. I'm not gonna make skin suits and dress up in them and dance around, but I am going to covet their skin because let's face it, people in their 20s have glorious skin. They don't realize how great their skin is until they get to their 30s and 40s and they're like, what happened to that beautiful skin I had? And then they're like, I wish I could go back and have that skin again. When they're in their 20s, they're like, oh, I don't like my acne and I have this little line right here and blah, blah, blah. They just don't see it. They don't understand. But here's the kicker, right? Our collagen production starts to decline about 1% every year starting in our mid-20s. That's 1% every year it goes down. And I know it's a total bummer, but by the time we're 40, we are losing 1% of our collagen every year. And then after perimenopause begins, it doubles up, it ramps up to 2% that we're losing every year. And I want you to look at this graph because this graph shows the dip in your collagen. Look how far that spikes down. So don't panic. I got you covered. Your girl has you. I've got the ultimate solution, and that is collagen replacement therapy. Okay, it's a new term. I've created it. Forget hormone replacement therapy. We're going to be doing collagen replacement therapy. So what exactly is collagen replacement therapy? It's my term for interfering with the natural collagen dip by enhancing it, starting at the ages when it begins that decline. Now, I didn't do this. Okay, I'm trying to help all of you lovely young women out there who are just hitting your mid-20s, maybe you're hitting your early 30s, and you're like, I can see the collagen going down. Or maybe you're in your mid-50s and you're like, my collagen is gone. You need some collagen replacement therapy. So let's talk about how to do that, because this is important. It's never too late to start your collagen replacement therapy. Never too late. If you're in your 50s right now, you should be thinking triple, quadruple spiking your collagen by doing all the things. And trust me, all these things do lead to big skin changes. So let's break down the essential components of our collagen replacement therapy, because it does take 4 key ingredients to really ramp up that collagen production. The first key ingredient, you need to be microneedling. You know I'm obsessed with this. Microneedling creates tiny micro injuries that kickstart your skin's natural healing process and boosts collagen production by the hundreds of percents. The hundreds of percents. So this is going to be like collagen replacement therapy, massively boosting your collagen, okay? So that is my number one. If you aren't doing this, you really should be trying. Now, if you can't microneedle, you can cosmetically needle, and that's my next protocol. So cosmetically needling helps get the actives that you're using, like your vitamin, well, you're not going to be doing like your Matrixyl and your growth hormones. It's going to help that stuff get deeper into your skin, which is going to help repair that damage and boost that collagen even more. It'll maximize the effectiveness of your products, and that's why cosmetic needling is the other thing that you should be doing, right, if you want to try to do your collagen replacement therapy. Now, the next thing you need to be doing is you need to be using a Retin-A. Okay, you need to be using some kind of Retin-A, whether it's the Platinum Skincare's retinaldehyde, whether it's Agency's Retin-A, tretinoin. you need to be using a Retin-A. This powerhouse will help stimulate collagen and help increase cellular turnover. And you want to be increasing that cellular turnover because that is going to be helping you with getting that collagen boosted back up. Number 4, you need to be using a vitamin C serum. Okay, this is a potent antioxidant that is so important for collagen synthesis. If you don't have a vitamin C in your routine, you need to make sure that you get it in your routine. You should probably be using this in the AM. That's when I use it. And I have to say, my skin, I've never been great with vitamin C, but I fell in love with this one. It's the only one I can use. Vitamin C usually makes my skin a little like raw. It irritates it, makes it a little red. I'm kind of more sensitive to vitamin C, but this SoulCeuticals is the best vitamin C I've ever tried. It's $20. It's in my Amazon store. It's so cheap. And I have seen some changes to my skin because I can use this every day. It doesn't irritate my skin, but I can feel that it works. And I can tell the tone, my tone and texture, my like firmness of my skin has been getting better over the last month. And this is the only thing I've changed is the SoulCeuticals. So I definitely attribute that to those changes. Red light therapy. Y'all know I like my red light therapy. I've got videos on it. Check out my other videos if you want to see what I have to say about red light therapy, which I think are the best masks, because I do think the science is super important behind red light therapy. But this is going to boost your collagen. It's going to reduce your inflammation, right? And that's part of collagen replacement therapy, is that we want to be doing all the things we can to be putting as much collagen back into our skin as possible. And so don't have to feel like you need to go out and buy a red light mask. If you've got all of these other things, but you don't have that red light mask, that's okay, okay? Do as many of these things as you can that's affordable, and you are going to be fine. I didn't even get my red light mask until like a year and a half ago. The most changes that I made to my face were all of the things I was doing. So do as many as you can and just add to them as you go along. But consistency is going to be the most important thing. So the other thing I use is peptides. Guys, you know that peptides signal the skin to make more collagen. They are so good for the skin. I use Matrixyl in the morning and in the evening, and I use my copper peptides at night. They're going to stimulate that collagen production, and that's what you want. And I don't use expensive. Like, this is the ordinary, right? This is timeless. These are not expensive serums. They last for months for me. I replace them only once every 3 months. Okay, I think I've had the copper peptides for 4 months because I just use, you know, a couple of drops of it. And it lasts for a long time. Chemical peels. Chemical peels are going to stimulate collagen production. You can use things like glycolic acid. You can use like the Ordinary's peeling solution. You can use peeling pads that give you light peels. You can also do monthly. You can do stronger peels like vitamin A nightly peel or even a TCA peel. I will have some videos on peels, different kinds of peels that I enjoy, and like showing you how to use those peels, because I do think peels are super important, but they can be a little scary and there's things that you need to watch out for. So keep that in mind, but they do help stimulate collagen production. They speed up the rate at which your cells turn over. When you're young, you have a really high cellular turnover, okay? And that as your collagen begins to decline, your cellular turnover slows down, okay? Yes, you still turn over cells once every 28 days. That's not gonna stop, right? But your cellular turnover, the amount of cells that you do turn over, slows down rapidly, right? You just don't have as much collagen. And what chemical peels do is they help speed up that cellular turnover. Okay, so that's what you want. This peel's amazing. Nighttime, go to sleep, wake up, beautiful skin, all that jazz. And then DNA repair damage, right? If you've got a lot of photo damage on your skin, something like an EGF serum or a DNA repair serum like the Photozyme, or something like Skin Active Scientific, okay, or Photozyme. They're truly scientifically backed products. This one is a great EGF serum. Photozyme has a wonderful DNA repair serum. Honestly, these are going to combat the signs of aging and help stimulate collagen production to get it back to where it was when you were younger. Here's where the magic begins to happen. We're gonna calendar these treatments out and make a commitment to follow through on all of these treatments. And I want you to look at my calendaring video for more information on how to calendar your treatments, because you're gonna wanna do that microneedling once a month, right? You're gonna wanna make sure you do your red light, if you've got a red light and you're using it 3 to 5 times a week, right? You're gonna wanna make sure that you do your deep peel once a month. You're gonna wanna make sure you do your superficial peels 1 to 2 times a week. You're gonna wanna make sure that you do your cosmetic needling 1 to 2 times a week, right? All of these things together, you're using your actives daily. All of these things together are gonna help replace that collagen in your body. And I know it's a big protocol. I wish I could just give you a pill and say, here you go, here's your collagen replacement therapy. This is all the collagen you need for your body and it's gonna heal you. I wish I could do that, but that's not how collagen works. We can't just take a magic pill and make our collagen spike back up. Collagen replacement therapy is a little bit more of a commitment, but it's a commitment that's easy to make if you calendar. Okay, and so check out that calendaring video that I have, because it shows you how to go through and how to create your own calendar, your own protocol that you're going to use then to replace that collagen that you've lost. So I know what you're thinking, right? Shelley, this sounds too good to be true. But you've just had a facelift. You've just had a lot of Botox. Guys, I do not have Botox. I do not have a facelift. God, though, it would be nice, wouldn't it? I don't have any of that stuff. I have been using collagen replacement therapy for probably about 5 years now. And I truly believe that it's the thing that is backed up most by science, and it's the thing that's going to help you age backwards, okay? Reverse time. Studies have shown that consistent use of retinoids, just retinoids, can increase collagen production by up to 80% in just 24 weeks. Studies have also shown that monthly microneedling can boost your collagen production by 300 to 600%. And it's been shown that when you microneedle consistently, it actually changes your epigenetic expression. It's not just collagen that you're going to pump up, right? When you're doing the collagen replacement therapy, you're also going to increase your production of elastin, which is kind of part of that other side of the coin from collagen. And the elastin is going to make your skin tighter. It's going to make it more taut. It's just going to look better, like against your facial structure, than if you weren't to be doing these things at all. So remember, glow getters, aging is a privilege. Okay, don't take it lightly. Don't hate yourself for aging. It's normal. It's wonderful. It's a great process, but that doesn't mean that we can't do it gracefully and we can't do it on our own terms. Remember, we create the rules. We create our own reality. And I'm not creating a reality where I'm going to look like I'm my age. By committing to collagen replacement therapy, you're not just fighting aging, you're reversing skin damage and literally aging in reverse. So are you ready to join me on the collagen replacement journey? Leave a comment in the comment box. Let me know if you're gonna be trying this, if you're starting this, if you've already started doing this, because you're watching my videos and I'm trying to tell you all the things to do to change your skin. So, right? Let me know if you're doing it, and let me know if you're being consistent, and let me know what's working for you, because I want to hear these things. And let me know if you have any questions, because I love hearing from you. And I'll see you next time on Glow Up with Shelley.